Want to effortlessly track trends and analyze data in Excel by mastering percentage change calculations? Alright, let's dive right in. First, make sure you have your previous value and current value in separate columns. In the third column, let's call it percent change, is where we'll put the formula. Click on the first cell in the percent change column where you want the result to appear now. Type in the equals sign to tell Excel you're starting a formula, then type in open parenthesis, followed by the cell reference for your current value, a minus sign. Then the cell reference for your previous value, close parenthesis, a forward slash for division. And finally the cell reference for your previous value. Again, this formula subtracts the previous value from the current value and divides the result by the previous value. Press enter. You should now see a decimal value. To format this as a percentage, select the cell, go to the Home tab, and click the percentage style button in the number group. Now, simply click and drag the fill handle, that small square at the bottom right of the cell, down to apply the formula to the rest of the cells in the column, and that's it. You've successfully calculated the percentage change for all your data points. Now you can quickly see the increase or decrease between your values, helping you analyze trends and gain valuable insights from your data. For more Excel tips and data analysis tricks, be sure to subscribe.